Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I know I've been a little bit busy. I haven't been really posting, but I got a quick, really easy recipe for you. A nice smoothie. You know, in the Caribbean, we drink a lot of papaya juice. We call it juice, although it's smoothie. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make one with a little twist. I'm adding my own fruits that I like to it, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go. So I am using papaya. Make sure it's well ripe. Coconut water, pineapple, mango, and orange. So I've cut up my fruits. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a blender. And I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the orange juice out of the oranges, and then I'm adding coconut milk, evaporated milk to it. You know, like I said, it's a tropical smoothie, huh? Yes. So go ahead and do that. Well, I don't have that thing you squeeze the oranges, so I use my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna get one. And also add the evaporated milk. We're adding a little bit of nutmeg for a little bit of spice. All right, you don't have to add nutmeg. I like nutmeg, and be careful, nutmeg is actually very dangerous. Okay, so I'm adding some coconut water, and I'm also using sugar. I'm not using a lot because I don't really like my smoothies to be too sweet. I'm adding a little bit of sugar and some almond essence flavor and some sugar. I'm using light brown sugar, and go ahead and blend that up. And then ta-da, it's over. See, I told you it was quick. So quick, it's super delicious. I love papaya, and papaya is so good for you, so beneficial. The only thing is, you make that juice, go ahead and drink it right away, because you have 15 minutes to drink it, otherwise it's gonna be bitter. If you've never had papaya drink before, smoothie before, or anything, that will turn bitter in like 30 minutes, 60 minutes. So go ahead and drink that up. Enjoy. And if you have not, please hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, also give it a thumbs up. And I will see you soon, and thank you for watching. I really hope you give that a try. And by the way, these on top were frozen raspberries.